So in this section, we're going to build the join generic writable class. And let's remember from our architecture section that we need the join generic writable class to be able to send to the reducer a generic record from both the product table and from the sales order data table. And in order to do that, let's just build it. Let's type in join generic writable. And let's hit and finish. And the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna import some imports here. So type in org apache. So because we have two files which are the two tables, and they have the same key but different value types, and they are mapped out to reduce, but multiple value types are not allowed. So in this case, we use the generic writable class to wrap the instances with different types. So that's why we're using the generic writable. So let's just continue. So let's extend generic writable. And let's go ahead and implement all the abstract methods. Let's delete that line, we don't need it. Let's add our own code here. So let's first add the class and classes. Let's just so this defines the classes which will be wrapped in a generic object in our application. So let's get a type that. So here the first generic object we want to take to be wrapped is the sales order data record class and product record class, which we are going to build later in a following section. So just type in sales order data record and product record for now. So that's it. Let's just type in product record class. And now we are going to implement our constructors. So the default constructor that is needed by Hadoop. And we're going also to implement the another constructor that which is going to set the instance that is gonna be wrapped. So let's type in the first constructor. So let's just type in the first constructor that we're going to use. So after we have added our two constructors, let me go through with you. So we added the sales order data record class to be the first class that's gonna be wrapped, and the other is the product record class. And I also added the get type method. So this one is going needed to get the type of each record. So that's it for this section, and see you in the next section. We're going to build the mapper for each table.